Alright guys, what is up? It is nighttime right now. I know this vlog is supposed to be in the daytime, but you know, whoever fucks with my channel from the start, from the first video, wasn't that long ago, they know I go to car meets and I haven't went to one in a while. So tonight is the night where I'm gonna go to one, the IEMassive. So yeah, tonight is the night where I go back to a car meet. So hope you guys like the edit.
Bought a pot to piss and ate some bread. I got to live, I threw some bread. I contradicted contradiction, monster vision. Saw this life and I pondered in it. I was only 16 when I wandered in it. I was living off dreams, now I'm sponsored living. I would love to talk, I got a concert. This shit is dope. Say I fucking sound like Drake, cause I'm great. Why must you hate? Why are you fake? Die in the lake. I am the good. Time of our great of all time, I just ate them alive. You can shut up and jive. That's why your girls hit me up all the time. Never hit them back though, but hit them from the back though. We can take it to the back, yo. See, I'm just spitting facts, bro. Mac go, bro. I just put the city on the map. My back, I was broke, now I stack. I was busy spitting crack to the back. Get the text, now I made it on back, bro. That's why I'm the
to the crib, I got a hit. Better give it up quick, I robbed the bitch. I don't even call it rap, I'm talking shit. Me and Kilo lay him, but they sucked the bitch. It was a one-hit crew, we dropped the bitch. Cause I done feel with the keys, I'm confident. I'm just a saucy ass nigga, no condiment. All I wanna do is eat, I need a meal. You can tell that I'm shining when you see the grill. If I pussy your gut, bitch, eat this pill. This nigga built up a fake, how the fuck you real? I only fuck for the back, I'm a real dog. For the niggas talking shit, getting peeled off. Ain't got no brain for this fade, I still hard. Cut your hair from your throat and get it nailed.
Alright y'all, police came, so now everyone's leaving. Let's go to second location. Everyone's revving, because you know we're leaving the location. So what's this you talking about? It really mean nothing when I'm all like talking. I really get dough when that's something you know. And me being broke, that is something I won't allow. Times get hard, got the world in my hands. European wheels headed back to the brand. Just me and my niggas. Just me and my niggas. Just me and my niggas. Just me and my niggas.
I'm Bruce. Down the brands in the beans. Just left the block, I'm trying to make it to the one team. Red lights. I don't fuck with them. Never wanna be a victim of a oh, that's him. Them yellow lights. I zoom past them, cause if I stop, they got time to assume that's him. Them green lights, that mean everything could go. These hoes go, this money go like the bullets out the slow folk. Summertime in Cali, gotta make sure you strap it up. Hey, bitch, when you gon' hop in the car, I'm it up. Niggas be stealing my pill and I be mad as fuck. The swag I got contagious, so I'm shake hands, I dap it up. I ran to the block.